Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Alright guys, let's take a look on questions number 2. So this is past year February 2025. So question number 2 is our account receivable aging report. Okay, so let's read together. Trapi Trading Company prepared its account receivable aging report. Figure 2 below shows the aging report for the relevant customer on 31st October 2024. Normally, date of this report will be 31st October 2024, consistent with our screenshot here. Alright, so let's refresh back your memory, everyone. So, normally for aging report, there are always 4 dates. The first thing is date of this report. Normally, date of this report, it shows the current. Shows the current. Alright? Okay. 30 days before, meaning to say, guys, 30 days before, you guys reverse. From the date of this report, you reverse. 30 days before. 60 days before, you reverse, you minus 60. 90 days before, meaning say, 90 days before date of this report. That's why you minus 90. Alright, so still remember guys, every time we apply our dates here, you need to use absolute self-referencing because we only have 4 days. That's why later when you guys calculate current invoice, 1 to 30 days, 31 to 60, 61 to 90, or over 90, every time you use the date, please add dollar. Because we only have 4 dates and we are using the same date for all the companies. Alright. Okay, next. Let's take a look on A1. Construct the formula in cell H13. So what is H13? Column H, number 13. Oh, how you guys calculate 2nd August 2024, 90 days before. How do we compute kan? Okay, the way you guys compute, very simple guys. This is one of the simplest formula. Alright, make sure that you guys know how to compute. Okay, formula always start with equal. So, equal. And then date of this report. Okay, what is the cell number here? H10, isn't it? Okay, H10. Minus, this one is 90 days before. Minus 90. That's why the answer here is, okay, H10 minus 90. This is the answer. Alright? Okay, next, number 2. Okay, what else? Number 2. You need to calculate K2. So, what is K2? Okay, look at column K. And then, not K2 guys, sorry, K20. Okay, K20. So, row number 20. Oh, I see. You guys need to give me the formula overdue 31 to 60 days. 31 to 60 days. Okay, guys, let's recall back your memory. I know the account receivable aging report is one of the most difficult chapters in Excel, isn't it? I know. That's why you guys need to refresh back your memory before you do your tutorial. Guys, this is the topic. When you prepare for the formula, you need to use nested if function for certain overdue. So, overdue for current invoice and also over 90 days, normally guys, we only use one if. Current, overdue 90 days, only one if. However, overdue 30 days, 60 and 90, you must use 2 if, double if. Double if I am referring to nested if function. There are 2 if. So the first if, you need to give me the formula, the condition. Followed by the second if, the condition. And then you guys close with the result. Alright? So in this case, you need to give me the formula for K20. K20 is 31 to 60 days. Meaning to say, apply nested if function. Okay. Guys, how do we compute? How do we prepare for our formula? So normally guys, our formula always Always compare invoice due date. Compare invoice due date with our date here. Date above here. Compare invoice due date with our date here. So which date? Alright. Since our question is 31 to 60 days, isn't it? 31 to 60 days. So the second if, guys, we will compare with the date 31 to 60 days. So which one is 31 to 60 days? Look it out for date. Okay, this one 60, right? So compare with 60 days before. So second if, we are going to compare with 60 days before. Alright, how about the first if? Okay. Guys, recall back your memory. So if the second if will take the date here 60 days before, because this one is 31 to 60 days, isn't it? So the latest date is 60 days before. So how about the first if? So first if we will compare with date before. So date before. So date before is 30 days before. This one is the first if. First if we are going to compare with 30 days before. Second if we compare the latest one. So what does it mean by the latest? This one is 31 to 60 days, right? So latest is 60 days. So compare with this one. Alright? Okay, guys, let's do the formula. So the formula start with, let's settle the first if. Okay, equal if. This is the first if. And then enter the condition. Open the bracket. So what is our main formula? Main information in both formula if? Invoice due date. So invoice due date here is column H, row number 20, isn't it? Okay, so compare H20. So the first if less than, Okay, less than. Alright, compare with the above date. Okay, which date? 30 days before. This one is H11. Every time you guys apply this for date, use absolute, add dollar. Okay, compare with H11. Dollar H, dollar 11. Comma. Okay, settle for the first if. Alright, comma, second if. Okay, if, open the bracket again. Our main formula is invoice due date. Invoice due date is H20. But the second formula, guys, it must be equal or more than. Equal or more than. Okay, here we go. More than, equal. Okay, compare which date? Okay, the latest date, 60 days before, which is H12. Remember, date you apply dollar. Okay, dollar H, dollar 12. Okay, next, the result. So our result, it will be what happened if both conditions are fulfilled. I want invoice amount to appear in this column. Okay. I want invoice amount to appear in this column. So where is our invoice amount? So invoice amount is this one. This one is column E20. E20. So that's why here comma E20. If both conditions or one of the condition is not fulfilled, what happened? I don't want anything to appear. So that's why comma, quotation mark open, quotation mark close the first bracket. Okay, and then comma. Okay, and then how about our next if? The result, it will be quotation mark open, quotation mark close the bracket. We have two bracket because two if. Okay, so this is how you guys do it for K20. Alright, next, J24. Okay, J24 is column J and then 24. Oh, how did we compute 8911? Okay, 8911 basically is we sum up starting from here until 4009. Okay, how you guys sum up, guys? Equal sum. Okay, you guys sum up starting from this one is J. Okay, J16, right? J16 until J23. J16 to J23. Okay, alright. So this is how you guys answer for number 1, number 2, and number 3. Okay, guys, I would like to say something about number 2. Okay, during tutorial, I know that, guys, for the result, E20, sometimes in tutorial, we will use like this. Plus E20. Isn't it? Plus E20. Actually, without the plus also acceptable. That's why here, I just simply write here E20 without the plus. Alright? Okay. So next, explain the correction step. We need to see how do we correct the error. To ensure that these cells appropriately display the data. So cell number 1 is M15. Okay, let's take a look on M15. Oh, this one guys, column M, number 15. Oh, over 90 days. You cannot see full over 90 days, isn't it? So how do we make sure that over 90 days, it will stay in column M? Okay, how do we do that? Alright, so number 1, you guys can do like this. Okay, option number 1. Okay, click cell N15 to make the cell active. And then go to home, choose icon, red text. Okay, for example, it's like this. Okay, let me show you guys. Let me show you guys. Okay, for example, let's say like this. Can you see here? Click cell M15. This one column M, but it's already enter column N O P. I don't want click cell N15 to be in column M N O N P. No. So how do we make sure this sentence guys stay in column M? Okay, step number 1, click first. Click Excel. That's why the way you guys answer, click cell N15 to make the cell active. Click. After you guys click, go to home. Click home. And then can you see here, A, B, C. This one is red text. Click red text. Click. See? Now the sentence stay in column M. Okay, this one is step number 1 or option number 1. Okay, other than option number 1, you can also try option number 2. Okay, option number 2 is, okay, this one Okay, click cell N15. Okay, click. For example, click. Okay, this one. Okay, alright, so click this one, Okay, this one, click. Okay, and then right click. And then after you guys right click, go to format cell. Okay, go to format cell. Okay, can you see here alignment? Normally you guys go to format cell for numbers, right? Okay, this time click alignment. Okay, can you see text control here? Text control. Can you see red text? Red text. Okay, click red text. And then you guys click okay. So in short guys, actually, we are using function red text. So if I were you, I just simply go for option number 1. Option number 1 is the easiest one. Alright? Okay, so this is how you guys answer for M15. Alright. Okay, M15 is done. Next, M17. Okay, what is M17? Okay, M17 is column N. Number 17. Oh, you cannot see the amount. You cannot see the amount. Okay, let me try, guys. Let me try. For example, this one is 777. Okay, this one. You cannot see the amount. Let's say you cannot see the amount. Guys, normally why you cannot see the amount? Because the cell is too small. The cell is too small. Alright? So, how should we do this one? Okay, if I were you, then try option number 1. Go to option number 1. Okay, so option number 1, click. Okay, click first. Okay, click at M17. Alright, and then after that, okay, go to here. Go this one. Okay, go to here. Can you see column K here? Let's say this one column M. Okay, let me move this one to column M. Can you see column M here? Okay, this one. Okay, you guys drag or you guys double click. Double click. See? Double click. Okay, this one is option number 1. You can simply double click the column M between column N to column N in between. In between column N and N, you guys double click. Okay, for example like this, double click. Okay, this one, the number is at column M. So you guys double click between M to N, double click here. Now all the numbers will appear full. Or you guys can go to option number 2. Okay, go to option number 2. Okay, select any cells in column M. Okay, fine. For example, like this. Okay, click. Move the cursor right boundary of column M. So here. And then drag until the column is sufficient, display the data. Okay, drag manually. Until you can see all the numbers. Alright, so there are two options. Okay, I guess that's all for question February 2025. Please try these questions.